Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just a quick middle of the day update. I sincerely hope we finally see a little bit of a rally here soon, or at least some kind of a reaction, because these wave fours, they get very boring after a few days, but that's exactly what we want to see, because in a wave four, you tend to see this boring price action, and the fact that it's quite boring again around Bitcoin, Ethereum, just shows us and gives us some evidence that this is still probably a wave 4 which is happening right now. So no change from previous videos. The idea is still that a larger wave 2, this correction which started middle of April, finished on the 15th of June. We rallied in a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, we rallied in a wave 3. This here is, I would say, probably still a wave 4 with an overshooting B wave. That view can change short term because, you know, we're looking here at the micro level because nothing really changed on the big picture. But the view remains that as long as we're holding 28,540, we can focus on higher, because this is the fib level, the length of the third wave. I currently see the move down that occurred as an A wave, overshooting B wave here, and now maybe in a C wave to the downside, which can still come down a little lower. But there are other interpretations, right? I mean, this is one view of it, that the wave 4 is still ongoing, and that is a valid interpretation as long as we're holding the 50% retracement level of the third wave. So that means a fifth wave rally is still to come, because it did not really, price didn't really rally in a nice 5-wave move here to the upside in a fifth wave. Now again, if we break below fourth wave support, then I have to assume that we already completed in the alternate wave count here, wave 1, okay? And that we're already in the wave 2. If price comes down from here, relevant support is between 28,100 and 26,190. But for now, that's also what I assume for Ethereum, where we have actually a nice triangle pattern here on the chart. The idea is that Bitcoin can push higher in a fifth wave, possibly close to 32k. And again, that could play out as an A, B, C structure. Could either be a running flat in which the C wave will end above the A wave high, or an expanded flat where price will go below the A wave. Where in a running flat the C wave ends above the A wave low, and in an expanded flat the C wave ends below it. And if we go below it, then support would be probably $29,077. Above it, well, there's a 23.6 retracement level at 29,734. Confirmation that we are going higher. I think good confirmation level will be this swing high of 31,070. And then it needs to take out the Friday high of 31,460. So there's a bit of uncertainty in the short term. But the move down is clearly corrective at this stage. So I'm looking for trend continuation to the upside at this stage primarily. The relevant support areas are fairly clear. As long as we're holding that 50% retracement level there at 28,540, one more high in a wave 5 is expected, then a deeper wave 2 pullback, and then a rally in a third wave. By the way, if we make that one more high, then also this support area for wave 2 will shift to the upside, because it is based on the targets of the previous waves, or on the actual peak of the previous wave. That means if price pushes higher from here directly, it will also not come back that much in a wave 2 pullback. Simple mathematics. And if we break below that 50% level, 28,540, then I assume we are already in the wave 2, and then relevant support is 26,190. There is unfortunately not much more we can do at the moment. Just need a bit of patience here. I know it's a bit boring, but yeah, I don't think there is much more we can really do. The only thing that I'm thinking about is, okay, will maybe a trend line give us some additional clues here? So we could add a trend, but that is far away from the current price. We'll see. I don't really want to. It's far away. I sincerely hope it doesn't take another 3 days in this range. Well, it might do, but it would be very long then for a wave 4, unless it will turn into a wave 2, which just corrects over time. But we'll see. I'll think about it. I'll take it off the chart now, but if we get closer to that trend line, I might bring it on again. But yeah, besides that, not much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.